Hey my loves, welcome to the day 2 in our 30 days content creation tutorial. So today I'm going to be taking you through the materials, the things you actually need to start up a content creation. Okay, now there are things you need. Physically, you need yourself. That's number one. You need to know yourself. You need to believe in yourself that this thing is for me. I'm out to do it, because YouTube is something that once you start, it doesn't have an end. Like, it's something that you have to do over years. You have to be prayerful and do the right thing. Okay, so these are the basic things you need. I'm talking about the things you need for YouTube creation. There are little things you need. Yeah, basically you need something to film yourself. For those that are doing face channel where we show our face, unless you choose to do a faceless channel where you don't have to show your face. Okay, all right, so I'm going to be discussing this thing in two ways. I'm going to be discussing based on the physical materials you need, physical equipment, as well as non-physical equipment. That is the ones you need to have within you, the ones that you have to acquire in terms of training or whatever. And those training are the training I intend to give you on this 30 days, so please come and grab it for free. Now, a lot of content creators always tell you to start with what you have, okay? But I don't really buy that idea. I often tell people that the things that you attach so much importance to are things that you put in something, okay? If you start something up for free, sometimes you don't push to keep it, especially if that thing is not profitable, okay? So I advise someone that is going into content creation to at least invest in something that will cost you a thing, so that each time you remember what you have actually put in, you will want to continue. That's one advice I have for you. Okay, now the things you need physically, you need a means of stability. That is what you can use to put up your phone. We are talking about phone right now. If you have camera, you get a camera stand as well. But I believe that every beginner actually begins with their phone. So that's why I'm focusing on the phone. So you need something to put your phone stable. If you have money, my friend, get yourself a tripod. It is important. It is a smart investment, okay? If you're actually here for the wrong thing, you have to get yourself a tripod, okay? Anyone that is affordable to your means, the one that is actually at your capacity, the one you can afford. Buy, okay? Though there are other means you can actually improvise, like you can actually sort yourself in terms of stability. If you actually have that knowledge, you can actually do it. The main thing there is for you to get a stability that will give you a clean, put together video, okay? And that is it. Another thing you will be needing, I'm talking about the physical things you need. Another thing you will be needing, you'll be needing an external mic. Yeah, just like I have mine clipped on here. This mic kind of enhance how you talk, it enhance your voice. Yes, it makes your voice pop more compare where you use just your phone mic. Okay, so get yourself a clip-on mic, an external mic. All right, there are so many types of mic out there. We have the one that has rope. The one I'm currently using has this rope. Yeah, I have tried to get wireless from my phone and it's not working. I don't know why. I don't know. So if you know the reason why it's actually happening that way, please do tell me in the comment section. I'm currently using Samsung phone A20X precisely, so check out and tell me the reason, because I have tried a lot of means. I still did not succeed. Okay, so you need an external mic. Try checking it out before buying. I know that this one that comes with this wire actually works for most phones. So if you can't afford, if you didn't see your very phone wireless mic, please buy the one with wire. The main thing here is that you have to start your content creation. Okay, maybe when you level up and get a camera, you can actually get a wireless mic. Period. Another thing you need to put in place is your background, your filming setting, where you have to film yourself if you are doing a face channel. A lot of people will just say, Stan, do this. I don't believe in that there. Now, I'm going to put up this question to you, because me, myself, I normally do that. If you see a creator filming in a rough background, a background that is not neat, that is not put together, I don't know, do you watch that video for a long time? No matter what the person is saying, once your background is not put together, your camera is not put together, your voice is not put together, my dear, it's a turn off for me. I don't know about you. So that is the reason why you should get these physical things I'm talking about. Number one, your phone camera should be put together. I'm not saying you should get the best phone in the market. No, the one you have, make it put together, okay? And number two, get yourself a stability means, a tripod, okay? If you can't afford to get a tripod, use any means you can that will make your phone stable, right? Number 3, get yourself external mic. An external mic enhances your voice. It makes your voice sounds put together to people's hearing. That's the benefit of an external mic. Number 4, organize your background. Use small things to give it a beautiful touch so that anyone that sees it will just want to watch your video. Sometimes some people, okay, for instance, sometimes you see people who do vlogging, people tend to watch them a lot because their background is put together. But if you don't have that means, don't bother, okay? Just make sure your background is clean and put together. Just have 1 or 2 touches, something that gives it that beautiful put together look, and you're good to go. Even if you have to do vlogging outside or you have to film outside, you can actually get a mic with noise cancellation. They can film outside, film outdoor, so that you can get the best of all, okay? And now the number 15 you need is lightning brightness, okay? Now, as a starter, most of us cannot afford to buy the fancy light, I know, but you can actually make use of the natural light, which remains the best, okay? If you know how to position yourself, you can go to your window as close as you can get a bright looking video, as close as you can get a bright, scripty, put together video, okay? And these are the 5 physical things you need, right? 1 is your phone camera or any means of camera that you want to use. Number 2, you need stability means. Number 3, you need a microphone, an external microphone. Number 4, you need a clean put together background. And number 5, you need lightning, okay? So these are the physical things you need for a clear, crispy, put together video. All right, these are the physical things, the things you should have within you. You either will get it from training or any means you have to. Now, this one are non-physical things you have to acquire through training. And this training is what I'm giving you right now for free on these 30 days. So why won't you subscribe to the channel and get them free instead of paying for it? Don't worry, a time will come when I will organize masterclass and you're going to pay for it. Yeah, you're going to pay to learn it. Okay, well, I pray you will not wait to get to that before you join the channel. All right, so these are the things you'll be needing. Number 1, you need editing apps. Okay, I'm going to be telling you all those apps, but not on this video. I'm going to be telling you on a separate video. Check out our day 1 to see our outline, the days and the things we're going to be dealing on each of the day in the 30 days. Okay, so today is about materials needed for content creating, the things you need basically to start creating content. All right, number 2 non-physical thing you'll be needing is knowledge. Okay, you need editing knowledge, you need algorithm reading knowledge. Yeah, if you want to succeed on YouTube, you have to make the YouTube algorithm your friend. Now, if you don't know how to read the algorithm, how will you make it your friend? How will you grow on YouTube? It is very important that you read the algorithm and understand it. And I'm going to be tutoring you that for free on these 30 days. So why would you join the channel? All right. And the third non-physical thing you will still need is niche research. Any niche that you want to venture into, you need to conduct some research on it. The researches will help you to know this niche, people are they really searching for it? This niche, is it paying very well? This niche, what's my knowledge on it? How versatile am I on this? Can I do this for 10 years and still counting? Are people really interested in watching this type of videos? Are people still interested in this type of niche? The cost of running this niche, can I maintain it? Can I afford it? Okay, so these are the things you basically need. If you intend becoming a content creator here on YouTube, basically, I'm talking about YouTube in these 30 days. Maybe later on, we're going to be talking about other social media platforms, but this 30 days is strictly for YouTube, okay? So these things are the things you need to look out for. So if you're seeing me for the first time, hello love, welcome to the channel. Do check out our day 1 so that you can see the outline of the things I'm going to be talking about in this 30 days. So you can choose if you want to or if you don't want to, right? And this is where I'm going to be stopping for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video and bye.